Alright, this is True Patriot 09 doing a shooting review on the Howa 1500 6.5 Creedmoor. It's got the Hogue overmold multicam stock, Cerakoted barrel, and the Athlon Talos optic. I've got it sighted in, finally got out today, and I've got 4 different ammos I'm going to be shooting, roughly about 100 yards or so, and I've got one target down there. We'll go over the 4 different types of ammo that I have, 3-shot groups. We'll go down, we'll look at the target, we'll finish up this, and then I'm going to do a new video after I get done with this one on a little bit of range shooting, a little bit of distance shooting I should say. And I picked up something the other day that was actually wasn't even looking for, come across it, and I got a rangefinder, so I'll end up doing probably later this week a quick tabletop of the rangefinder, what brand it is, and also I'm going to go over my shooting bag. Just kind of funny how I got the bag, what it was used for, and now what it's being used for, but the price point and who I got it from. Anyway, it's a great range bag. Keep all your stuff in it. I'll do a review on that here in a week or so also, but mainly right now let's focus on this 6.5 Creedmoor. So far it's shot great now that I've got it sighted in. Like I said, I've got one target. We'll shoot 4 different corners of the target, and we'll go down and look at the results. So these are the ammos that I'm going to be using today. We've got Hornady Match 6.5, 140 grain, 140 grain ELD. Nice little bullet there. We're going to be shooting Winchester Match. It's 140 grain. It's a boat tail hollow point. We're going to be shooting the Hornady Precision Hunter, which is 6.5 and 143 grain ELDX. And then we've got the Hornady 6.5 Creedmoor 120 grain GMX. So we'll shoot these. I'll get set up. We're going to start out with the match, the Hornady Match. It's 140 grain ELD. Then we'll go to the Winchester. Then we'll go to the Precision Hunter. Then we'll go to the full bore. So I'll get my camera set up. We'll start shooting at some targets, and once we get down there, we'll go over which groups went with what ammo, and we'll see how it shoots. Alright, so first up is going to be the Hornady Match 140 grain ELD. We'll be shooting top left corner of the target. Next up is the Winchester Match. We'll be shooting top right-hand corner. I'll be honest with you, in the past I've shot Winchester match grade ammo in 5.56 and I want to say 308, and I've never had a lot of luck out of it. This seems to be shooting pretty good. So next is the Hunter Precision. Now we're pretty fortunate in this area. We've got quite a few gun shops, and this ammo I got at one particular gun shop, and he said that with all the guys and girls that come in and buy the 6.5 ammo, they say that the Hunter Precision, the ELDX, is by far the best grouping ammo. So what I'll do is I'll shoot bullseye with this ammo and see how it turns out. That appears to be a pretty good group. And then the last one is the 120 grain Hornady full bore. It's a bore ammo. So we'll shoot bottom left hand corner with this and see how it turns out. Go ahead and tell you that last group wasn't very good. I feel like I'm rushing my shots a little bit. Here lately we've had some really crazy weather too. It's 1st of March now, and we're supposed to get snow tonight, and I think snow Sunday, snow Monday, snow Tuesday, and typically in February in this area of Virginia, in the Blue Ridge here, February we're having, we had 70-degree days, and typically we've got 20-degree days. So last Saturday the wind was blowing 100 miles an hour, it seemed like, and just wasn't able to get out here. A little chilly today, and the wind's blowing some. Definitely not making excuses, just throwing that out there. So we'll go ahead and we'll look at these groups. All right. That is the Hornady Match, 140 grain. That's the Winchester at 140 grain, Winchester Match. That's the Hunter Precision, and that's the Hornady full bore. Now as a comparison, this is my thumbnail, and can't quite cover them up. There again, not quite covered. I mean, pretty good groups. The last group, the full bore, not real pleased with that. I do like the firearm. I do like the caliber. I think that I've seen the ammo start coming down on it, I think it's just because it is such a popular ammo, and a wide variety of game that you can hunt with it, and long distance shooting. A lot of people use this for long distance shooting. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Let's pray for America. Let's pray for our families, our children. Let's pray for our first responders and military. Let's pray for their safety and their families. And let's just be kind to each other. You know, let's just close that gap and just start getting along, you know, simply said. But thank you for watching. God bless you all. This is True Patriot 09.